The next one is tshark. So tshark is like a Wireshark command line cousin. So we can capture live data on ETS 0. Let's refresh the page, and here are more cleaner data we can see. Clean and detailed, right? So this is how we can capture data using tshark. So tshark is command line Wireshark, I would say, the second Wireshark. And now let's save the output file in pcap format, so we can go and read this file later. So you can see the live capturing is going on, 254 packets captured, and it is so I've just cancelled it. Now let's see using the ls command. Now let's read it. We cannot read it because it's encoded, so directly we cannot read it. So for reading this we need to use the tshark tool again. So let's try opening the pcap file in tshark. So we can use the read command, the read switch, the r switch, and here we can see all the captured packets that be exported as pcap. You can also filter for things like http request or dns port. So let's try that. http.request and fields, and also the http agent, the user agent. These are the multiple switches I'm using here to get the more cleaner detail, and it is capturing on ETH0 in my adapter. So I'm browsing a HTTP website. Let's try that, but this is not going to be connect because I do not have any web server running on my computer. So let's try some HTTP website, not this one. We need to use the real site. So this is the details are capturing here, but these are not the real HTTP request. But yeah, we can see some traffic captured here from OSCP, DigiCert, or pki.google. So let's try browsing the insecure uh, site. Also we can do the filtering like sorting and unique. See, oops, I did some typing mistake, I guess. Yes, I did mistake in the sorting, so let's correct it. Sort by n, the new one, and it is capturing on the ETS0 again. Let's try open a insecure site, and tshark shows the request instantly after running this site. Never SSL. So this is a dummy site to test the uh, HTTP request. So here you can see the 18 traffic captured. Now, so it is very great tool when you don't want GUI. Now I'm gonna use some more filtering. hacker type very fast in movies, but in real life, if you are in ethical hacking, it's very painful. You will frequently do some mistake, typos. So that's what I'm doing here. You can see I'm filtering the source port 53, which is DNS, and trying to apply some fields and DNS request, the DNS query details. So some fields are not valid, but the command is correct. I don't know which field is not valid. We'll see later. uh, let's try something else. But this is how we can start filtering for the various type of protocols or ports.